Ever wondered why some Shopify stores are printing money? While others barely break even, spoiler alert, it's not luck. It's smart profit logic. Stick around because I'm about to animate exactly how successful Shopify stores make money behind the scenes. First, traffic comes in, then visitors turn into customers. Profit is protected by smart pricing. Costs stay controlled. And systems do the heavy lifting. So you can start building your own cash-flowing empire. What's up, everyone? I'm Alex, your go-to guy for all things e-commerce. I've built and scaled multiple online stores. Today, we're cracking open a vault on how Shopify stores really make money. Shopify stores make money through multiple profit drivers. The first and most obvious driver is product sales. No traffic means no sales. Period. Free traffic includes SEO, content marketing, and email lists. Paid traffic includes Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and Google Shopping. Traffic is useless if it doesn't convert. Smart stores increase profit with upsells and bundles. Let's look at a simple real-world example. Even if you're starting from zero, you can do this. If you like clear, no-fluff breakdowns like this, hit subscribe. All right, let's get into it. Everything starts with your business model. This is a foundation. Get this wrong, and the rest doesn't matter. The three most common Shopify models are dropshipping, print on demand, and holding your own inventory. With dropshipping, you don't stock products. A supplier ships directly to your customer. It's beginner-friendly and low risk. You might buy a product for $5, sell for $20. That's $15 gross profit before ads and fees. Print on demand works similarly, but with custom products. You design things like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or posters. And a printer handles fulfillment. One niche pod store selling cat-themed apparel hit over $10,000 a month by targeting pet lovers on social media. If you're brand new, start with drop shipping or pod. What product niche are you most interested in? Drop it in the comments. Here's where most stores fail: pricing. Pricing isn't guesswork. It's math. Your goal is 30 to 50% profit margins after all costs. That means factoring in product costs, shipping, Shopify fees, and ad spend. Let's break it down with a real example. You sell wireless earbuds for $49.99. Product cost, $15. Shipping, $5. Ads per sale, $10. Shopify fees, about $2. That's $32 in total costs, leaving you with roughly $18 profit per sale. At just 100 sales a month, that's nearly $1,800 in profit. Most new stores make under $1,000 per month at first, but pricing tweaks alone can double profits. One pod store raised prices by 20% and didn't lose conversions. Pro tips. Price to 3x cost, use bundles, track margins. Have you experimented with pricing yet? No traffic means no sales. Period. You got two main options: free traffic and paid traffic. Free traffic includes SEO, content marketing, and email lists. Think blog posts targeting keywords like eco-friendly yoga mats or abandoned cart emails that recover lost sales. Paid traffic includes Facebook and Instagram ads, Google Shopping, and influencer marketing. More traffic doesn't matter if it doesn't convert. One beauty store partnered with TikTok influencers and drove 50,000 visitors. With just a 2% conversion rate, they generated $20,000 in revenue. But here's the warning: bad traffic burns money. Switching to retargeting alone turned losing campaigns profitable. Start ads at around $50 per day. Use abandoned cart emails. These can add 10 to 20% more revenue. Focus on quality traffic, not just volume. What's your main traffic source right now? SEO, ads, or social media? Profit grows faster when costs shrink. That means negotiate with suppliers, choosing faster shipping to reduce refunds, and automating everything you can. Apps like Ceres handle dropshipping automatically. Pod stores can save big by choosing local printers. One store I work with cut costs by 15% and jumped margins from 25 to 40%. Top earning stores obsess over efficiency. They cancel and use apps automate workflows, and audit expenses monthly. Shopify's basic plan is more than enough to start. Cancel apps you don't actively use. Design in Canva instead of hiring designers. What's your biggest cost headache right now? Ads, shipping, or apps? Once you're profitable, it's time to scale, but smartly. Shopify's reports show you exactly what's working. Double down on winning products, pause losers, and reinvest profits. Subscriptions are huge here. A coffee brand offering monthly deliveries creates predictable recurring revenue. Rocket launches. Data grabs zoom in on best-selling products. Brands like Allbirds started small on Shopify and scaled using data, ads, and brand loyalty. Aim for 20% monthly growth. Set up Google Analytics. A/B test product pages. Build loyalty programs. Repeat customers drive most profits. Most stores take 3 to 6 months to become profitable. Consistency beats hype every time. What's one action you'll take today? Comment it below. To sum it up, pick the right business model. Price for real margins. Drive targeted traffic. Cut costs aggressively. Scale with data, not guesswork. Follow this logic, and your Shopify store can absolutely become a real income stream. A real income stream. If you're ready to start, check the link below for a free Shopify trial. No credit card required. Next up, top 10 must-have Shopify apps for beginners. Subscribe, like the video, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next one.